Welcome back to St. Joseph English Medium School, Vijaypur. Hello kids, how are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine at your home, children. This academic year, I am going to handle moral science subject. Today, we are going to learn first chapter, Where Can I Find God? First chapter, Where Can I Find God? At the end of this lesson, we will learn some moral values. Shall we begin? Evening, Santosh went out to play after returning from school. But all his friends had gone for a swim in a river nearby. He walked about for a while. Then he saw a bird flying to a mango tree. Here he means Santosh, children. Santosh walked towards the tree. He noticed the bird getting into a nest. Getting into a nest above. He wanted to know what was inside the nest. See, children, Santosh saw a mango tree and there he saw a bird flying a mango tree. That Santosh saw, and he noticed the bird getting into a nest. He wanted to know that what was inside the nest. So, in the first paragraph, we have learned that, children, after returning from his school, Santosh saw a mango tree. Near the mango tree, the bird is flying. Yes, and he find out their nest. Yes. So Santosh started that thinking, what is there inside the nest? This much happened in the first paragraph. Now we will learn in the second paragraph what happened. In the second paragraph, what happened? See, children, Santosh slowly climbed up the tree. He could see the bird picking at something inside the nest. The nest was at the end of a long branch. See, children, that nest is, where is that nest means, children? That nest is at the end of the long branch. So, he tried to move towards it, holding on to another branch overhead. When he saw near the nest, he stretched his hand to pick it up. What he wanted to pick it up, children? Yes, he wanted to pick the nest. Suddenly, the branch overhead broke and fell with a thud. Luckily, the broken branch got stuck between two branches down below, and Santosh remained hanging in midair. Santosh stretched his hand. Yes, to pick it up at the nest. Suddenly, the branch overhead broke, children, and fell with a thud. Yes, luckily, the broken branch got stuck between two branches. Yes, children. Let us see in the third paragraph what happened. Santosh cried out for help. That time, his friends who had gone for swimming heard his cry. They rushed to the place and got him down safely. Children, they means here Santosh friends. Santosh friends. Finally, they got him down safely. Yes, now Santosh came down safely, children, with the help of his friends. Then what happened? He sat down crying bitterly. You are really lucky. It is God who saved you, said one of his friends. See, children, one of his friends said that, Santosh, you are very lucky. It is God who saved you. Yes. This much happened in this third paragraph. Finally, Santosh came down safely. Yes. Let us see in the last para. God is there when you need His help. God is there when you need His help. He follows you like your shadow. Look at this picture, children. Shadow. This is the shadow. So God will always help for us. He will never leave you. Yes, you find God wherever you are. He is at home. He is at school. He is in the playground. He is everywhere, children. It is God's presence that makes your life meaningful. It is only because of Him. The world is a beautiful place to live in. Yes, children, we all are living in this beautiful world. So we all are lucky. It is the presence of God. God is present everywhere. He is always with us. It is His presence that makes our life safe and meaningful. So, moral of this story is God is everywhere. Yes, children, and He is always with us. It is His presence that makes our life safe and meaningful. Thank you, children. Stay home, stay safe.